Okay, so this is the original problem we had to begin with, and I'm going to show you how to solve this with a calculator instead of the longhand way like we did. So first we would solve it using a matrix, not by solving for a variable. So we're going to have to rewrite this into a matrix form. And by doing that, it's pretty much just putting it in a box. So we're going to take the coefficients 4, 7, 3, and 12, and we're just going to rewrite it in this box. And let's just label this A. And we want to solve for the variables x and y. And we're going to set that equal to these last terms. Okay, and we're going to call this B. So in order to solve for that, we have to punch A and B in the calculator. So we would have to put A, so the inverse of A equals B. So the inverse of A, we will have to put this into the calculator, and we're going to have to find the inverse of that, so whatever that is, and then we're going to have to multiply that by matrix B, which will then give us our final answer, which I will show you how to do in a minute. Okay, so using the calculator, you go turn it on. So we are going to go to second function, and we're going to go matrix. I don't know if you can see that, but okay, second function matrix. And we're going to go to edit, and we're going to go under the name A and hit enter. So as you see at the top, it says 3 by 3, which is not what we want, because as these matrices say, this is a 2 by 2. So we'll have to input here. We're going to have to change that to a 2 by 2. And then we will simply put in 4, 7, 3, and 12 in here. So we're going to go 4, 7, 3, and 12. Okay, and then we're going to hit second quit. And we will go again to second matrix, and we will edit now what we call B. And again, we're going to have to change that to the proper format, which is over here a 2 by 1. So we're going to put 2 by 1. And we're going to put the numbers in 15.25 and 1650. And after we have those in, we're going to go second quit. So we have our A and B plugged in. So now we want the inverse of A. So we're going to go ahead in our calculator and find, under names, we're going to find A. And we're going to find the inverse of that by hitting the inverse button, which is right there. So we have A, and we're going to put inverse A, and we're going to write that answer. So it seems to be a lot of decimals, and I really don't feel like writing all that. But that's normally what we would write in this box. So all those numbers we'd put in there. So I'm going to take all those numbers, I'm going to multiply it by B. And we're going to go second matrix, and we're going to get B. So we're multiplying all those numbers times our B. You hit enter in the calculator, and there comes your answer. So 250 and 75. So 2.5 and 0.75 would be the answer to this problem.